Are you looking for a way to track the location of your cell phone for free? Look no further. In this video, we will show you how to easily and accurately track the location of your cell phone at no cost. Tracking the location of your cell phone can be useful in a variety of situations. Perhaps you lost your phone and want to find it, or maybe you want to keep an eye on the location of a family member or employee. Whatever the reason, our method for tracking the location of a cell phone for free is quick and reliable. To get started, all you need is an internet connection and a computer or smartphone. We will guide you through the process step by step, so even if you are not tech savvy, you will be able to follow along. In just a few simple steps, you will be able to track the location of your cell phone with precision. No special software or app is required, all you need is the built-in features of your phone and our easy-to-follow instructions. So if you want to track the location of your cell phone for free, be sure to watch our video. We'll show you how it's done in just a few minutes.